Users are always suggested to back up their desired songs regularly to avoid unexpected loss. But how to complete the backup easily? You have several choices. 1. Click to back up music on Android phone. First of all, it is recommended to use an Android backup and restore tool, which is called Mobikin Backup Manager for Android. It is easy to use and fully enables you to back up almost everything on your Android device to the computer. After you have downloaded and installed the Mobikin Android Backup and Restore tool, let's see how it works. Step 1. Get started with Android Backup and Restore. Step 2. Select Music for backup. Step 3. Start to backup music on your Android. Backup Android music to computer with ease. Next, we would like to show you a comprehensive way for Android backup, making use of Mobikin Assistant for Android Win and Mac. It is a professional as well as powerful backup software for Android. Here is how. Step 1. Launch the software on your computer. Connect your phone via USB and enable debugging. Step 2. Access the main interface to backup Android music selectively or in bulk. Backup Android songs selectively. Tap on Music in the left panel to locate the detailed information in the right column. Then you can preview the songs and mark the wanted files. After selecting the data, you can simply hit the export button to transfer the songs from Android to computer. Backup Android songs in a batch. Navigate to Super Toolkit Backup and then tick the music category listed in the window. Next, you should browse a folder to save the selected songs and hit Backup to start the transferring process. Transfer the songs to Google Drive for backup. Step 1. Connect your Android phone to Wi-Fi and open Google Drive. Step 2. Sign in. Tap the red plus icon, choose Upload, and select desired audios. Step 3. After uploading, access Google Drive on your computer to view the files. Simply copy the songs via USB cable. Connect Android to computer via USB. Enable Media Device MeTP and USB debugging. Access Music folder on PC. Copy desired songs. Paste into new folder for backup. Use G-Cloud Backup to complete the Android music backup. Download and install app from Play Store. Create G-Cloud account. Select files for syncing. App automatically uploads files to cloud.